What's up, guys? I'm Abdul, and today I want to show you the simplest thing that we can do to our computer to make it switched off, okay? Without touching the power buttons and or without coming to the startup and then making the switch off here, how we can simply switch off our computers by using only keyboard, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you by using the virtual keyboard, not from your keyboard. I mean from your physical keyboard, okay? Not this one. And this is for the sake of showing you, okay? Now you press window. I'm sorry here from this virtual keyboard, there is no window key. Almost, the window key, and then you press X, okay? Window plus X plus U. Okay, at the same time, U two times. So you press window and then without leaving the window key, you hold X again, then U two times. Okay, U. Then your computers will be shut down automatically. That's the simplest way. And then you can don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for more videos, and you have to encourage me to do more videos like this. Okay, this is the simplest one. That is my first time that I am uploading a video to YouTube. Okay, so thank you for watching.